Hello everyone. Today's topic of discussion is gig economy. First of all, let us understand what is gig economy. Gig economy basically means people doing small jobs or tasks like driving for a ride sharing service or freelancing instead of having a regular 9 to 5 job. Examples of gig work are food delivery boys, Uber, Ola cab drivers, musicians, photographers, construction workers, on demand workers, etc. Gig work does include high skilled, medium skilled, and low skilled work. There are many apps and websites, example Fiverr, Upwork, for the high skilled workforce such as software developers, doctors, etc. to take gigs. This kind of freelance work market is called a gig economy. The gig economy is expanding at a rapid rate, especially after the pandemic. Moreover, many countries are working on bringing policies to prevent the exploitation of gig workers and to make their working conditions more humane. Now, let us understand the reasons for the rise of the gig economy. First reason is better work-life balance. In traditional employment opportunities, employees have to work for a fixed number of hours. At present, there is a shift in attitude towards work, with many individuals seeking a better work-life balance and more control over their careers. This is contributing to the rise of gig economy. Second is increasing unemployment rates. As because high unemployment rates are also forcing people to work in the gig economy. Next point is economic instability. Economic instability and job securities in traditional employment have led individuals to seek alternative sources of income and employment stability, contributing to the rise of gig economy. Especially after the COVID-19 pandemic, many people have shifted towards this gig work. Next point is win-win situation for both the company and the worker. Many times the gig economy is a win-win situation for both the company and the worker, as because companies do not have to hire a full-time employee and thereby can save cost. On the other hand, workers will not be tied down by any company. After finishing the gig, they can work with other people of their choices. Next point is that certain industries such as technology, creative services, and consulting have experienced a shift towards freelance-friendly models, further promoting the growth of gig work in these sectors. Now, let us see the benefits of the gig economy. First point is autonomy for workers. Gig work provides autonomy for workers. The gig economy allows individuals to integrate work into their lives more seamlessly, enabling them to balance work commitments with personal responsibilities and activities. Second point is flexible work hours. Gig workers have the flexibility to choose when and where they work. Flexible work hours are one of the main advantages of the gig economy. Next point is different source of income. Gig workers can diversify their sources of income by engaging in multiple gigs or platforms simultaneously, reducing reliance on a single employer and potentially increasing overall earnings. Next point is opportunity to be their own boss. The gig economy provides individuals with the opportunity to be their own bosses, offering services or skills as independent contractors and pursuing entrepreneurial ventures without the constraint of traditional employment. Next point is global opportunities. Digital platforms enable gig workers to connect with clients and opportunities globally, expanding their reach beyond local markets and potentially accessing a broader range of projects and clients. Now let us see the challenges of the gig economy. First challenge is no job security. There is no job security for gig workers. They often face unpredictable income and job insecurity as they lack the traditional benefits and stability associated with full-time employment. Next challenge is no benefits. Gig workers do not receive benefits such as retirement benefits, health insurance, accidental insurance, etc., like full-time employees. Next point is lesser pay. Many gig workers are receiving pay less than the guaranteed minimum wage, which is unethical. Next point is no guarantee of payment. There is no guarantee of payment in some cases. Companies may delay or stop payments. There will always be this insecurity and it also causes stress. Next point is overwork. Some gig workers overwork to earn decent money. Several gig workers complain of burnout. The exploitation of gig workers is one of the biggest challenges of the gig economy. Last challenge is threat to some full-time employment opportunities. The rise of the gig economy is a threat to some full-time employment opportunities as because some companies are replacing full-time employees with gig workers. Now what can be the way forward? In September 2020, the Government of India brought a new labor code, the Code on Social Security 2020, which extended social security to the unorganized sector workers including gig workers. The code enables the central and state governments to frame suitable social security schemes for gig workers and platform workers on matters relating to life and disability cover, accident insurance, health and maternity benefits, old age protection, etc. Secondly, gig workers can register themselves on the e-Shram portal, which is a national database for the unorganized workforce. E-Shram cards will be used for delivery of social security benefits as implemented by central and state ministries such as accident insurance, pension, etc. Thirdly, providing free training and upskilling courses can ensure that gig workers stay employed. Fourthly, Rajasthan government is giving identity cards to gig workers and is also establishing a fund for them. Karnataka government announced 4 lakh rupees worth of accidental insurance for gig workers. Other states too should implement schemes to improve the situation of gig workers. And lastly, there is a need to bring policies to protect gig workers from exploitation. Moreover, awareness programs should be conducted to help gig workers know about the relevant schemes and social security benefits. Overall, the gig economy will continue to rise at a rapid rate in the coming days for good. It can compensate for the high unemployment rates in India. It's a good thing that gig workers are officially recognized and brought under the ambit of social security schemes. Working on the challenges of the gig economy to improve the working condition is the need of the hour. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on gig economy. And you guys can also join us on WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and even on Spotify. We will provide the link in the description box below. And please subscribe our channel and subscribe to our blog. And until then, bye bye. See you guys in the next video.